Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete account on FIFA game. So let's get started. Begin by launching your FIFA game. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find account deletion option. Tap on the arrow icon which is right next to account deletion option. Then tap on the continue button. Go through the information first and check on I have read the information and agreed to delete my account option. If you are sure, tap on the delete button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can delete account on FIFA game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.